Good morning, guys. For today's show, it's all about interview a businessman. His name is Bernard Suarez.
Good morning, everyone.
How did you start this and how did you develop your business?
I start with a small investment and position. I just reserved so that I could develop my business.
Next question. How difficult is it to handle and how do you handle it?
It's really difficult to handle a business and it's also scary because your business might go bankrupt, but you should always be able to handle it.
Last question. How does it feel to be away from your old home?
Of course, I'm happy because I can see that I'm getting better little by little.
So guys, this is the end of the show. Once again, my name is Vince Donald.
I'm Bernard Suarez.
Thank you for watching.